Hey guys, welcome back to Wix It Fix It Garage. Today I told you I was going to try to get this pressure washer out where we could work on it. The Carta pin, I don't know if y'all can see that, it's pretty bad in there. See if I can find a light. But anyway, it's pretty bad. Yeah, I don't know where the light is. But anyway, if y'all can see in there, that it's grinded up pretty bad. The last one snapped. So if your pressure washer quits pumping, sometimes they won't even run when this comes out of time. It throws the motor out of balance. So before you push this in the back of your garage and go buy a new one or just get rid of it, it's worth taking out 4 bolts right here. Just come out right here, here and on the other side, just like if you were going to take the motor off. So just regular bolts. Just take them out and pull the slide. Well, that just fell off because you can see now that crank's a little bit scarred too. Anyway, we'll continue filming in a minute. Alright, I'm back. I moved it over here where we could actually see. I want you to see this. You see how that kind of ground up in there a little bit? You can see where the Carta pin goes. So it really eat that thing up. I don't know. I'm gonna have to take a or check, make sure that thing's gonna fit properly. But anyway, it takes 3/16 keyway or Carta pin, whatever people call them, different things. Yeah, it just fits in there like that. I'm gonna clean that out, of course, in a minute. Then you slide it up on the crank. Well, it's gonna be stubborn. But anyway, y'all get the gist of it. Something like that. Anyway, now this is it's a GCV 190 Honda. According to the specs I looked up, it's I don't know, they say 5.5 to 6 horsepower. I don't know, I think it's like a 5 myself. It pumps about 2.5 to 4 gallons a minute. This frame is not the frame it came with. The other one fell off a truck. That's how I ended up with these. I've got another one somewhere that's been up. I think it's at work. But that one I want to fix. I don't even have a pump for it though. I got to buy one. But it's a Troy belt. It's got almost a 7 horsepower on it. It'll make a good one. I just got to buy a pump. But this one's the one I was focusing on today. But yeah, I'm gonna clean that out and we'll put it back together. Clean this, see how bad this is. If it's too bad, I may have to get a new pump. It's got oil in it. Yeah, that's not as bad as it looked once you start cleaning it. Oh, that was dirt. That's the other side. Let's see. Yeah, I believe it's going to be alright. I'm just going to have to still a little bit of trying to get all that dirt out of it. You want to make sure that Carta pin's all the way down in there, or keyway, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, you don't want to booger it up either, so I'm trying to tap it real light. So yeah, that's how it goes in there. So y'all can see that. Anyway, I'll finish filming here in a minute when I clean it up, and I'm going to show y'all how to put it back on there. Hey guys, hey, I wanted to show y'all this before I go any further. Just be sure not to turn this motor up too much further than this. That way you don't put your oil, don't pour out your breather over there. But I was just wanting to show you the crank. It's got a little superficial scarring, but it's going to be okay. I guess whoever had that didn't know it wasn't pumping for a minute. I don't see how. That thing should have quit pumping good. I mean, significantly when that pin snapped. Anyway, I'm going to put some a little bit of Loctite up in here and let it set a little while. Hold that pin in place. It makes it a lot easier. I mean, you can do it without it. And then of course when you put this on, you've got a lineup plate, or well, that one's supposed to be the lineup, I believe, for this. You can put this thing either to the side, or most people go out the back. It's either where you want to put it, wherever it's convenient. You get to it the easiest. But these you see, these four are the bolt holes, and you got your two pilots, which is, well, no, this one's only got one. But yeah, you can, that's what lines it up. You can just wherever you want to put it. Well, I'll show you when I do it. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm gonna put this on there. You just want to, on this one, I don't know, I guess it just goes out the back. That's where I'm putting it. I'm pretty sure it's where they all go anyway. But I got my Carta lined up here, and you can see it right here. I think you can see it. It's right there. That Loctite keeps it up there where you don't have to fight with it. But I'm telling you, it'll fall off several times if you don't. That's all there is to it right there. Where's my... These are that ain't going on there right for some reason. Let me try this one. I thought they were the same bolts. I'm just gonna put this on there. These are lock nuts anyway. Now this can be aggravating. Easy way, I guess you could, if you wanted to turn this thing upside down, you could take time and drain the oil out of the motor, then you could just flip it up, but you still have to watch the oil in the pump though. There we go. That's pretty much all there is to it. And by the way, of course, I don't know if they may be different ones. This was a number 6 Allen and 1/2 inch bolts. That one just does not want to go on for some reason. Try this one before I... Yeah, I know that's the same one. Well, that's gotta be the nut, or the bolt, I mean. Anyway, you get the gist of it. I'm just gonna snug them all up. Of course, it's raining here in the south. I'll have to fix that little thing. Hey guys, I'm back. I was going to show you this part right here. Once you get your pump back on there, this is your pressure adjustment. Just get you a, this is a 15 millimeter. You see, this is a 5/16. Just hold that one. Of course, I can't hold that light too. Just take that loose, and then you can take a screwdriver and it goes right here in this end. You can turn it in or out. Once you hook your water up right here, get somebody to turn your water on and hold your wand down while it's running, and set your pressure till you see a good steady hard stream. Then do that in reverse. Just hold that and lock it back down. That way you'll have maximum pressure all the time. Other than that, you got this thing here you can hook to a soap bucket or something. Then you have one over here that hooks up. Some of them are different, but this one goes to the front tank where you can hook, put some kind of soap or something in there. That's about it. So I'd show you that little bit I forgot earlier. Of course, check your oil. I don't even know if this thing runs yet, but I'll check it when it clears up. I'll do a second video showing how it works and maybe adjusting that if it needs it.